We're a little bit of everything here. We're a family entertainment complex, and we've got much more than just bowling. We've got live music, we've got indoor-outdoor stage, we've got indoor-outdoor patio, we've got cornhole, volleyball. We've got a little bit of everything. We're a bar and grill, so we've got a little bit of everything going on here at Pohlman Lanes. We are a family entertainment complex, so everything that we do and all of our events are family friendly. We do a little bit of everything with live music. We've got live music 4 nights a week on Wednesday, as we got going on right now. We've got the Standard Country Time Band that plays every Wednesday from 1 to 3. We do a little bit of everything. We do rock and roll, we do blues, we do country. We touch pretty much every bit of the music gamut. We are a bar and grill. We've got a really good bar food. Again, we've got a great flatbread pizza that everybody seems to like very well, and then our wraps are top notch also. You just can't survive on bowling alone right now, so that's why we opted to go with an entertainment complex and have live music, have volleyball, have cornhole. So we've got a little bit of everything that goes with that. Come on out, see us at Pohlman Lanes and Family Entertainment Complex and Scott's Bar and Grill.